This is the developed version of a Bengali client's project. I had a requirement to show a button to back to top while scrolling 500 pixels vertically. For simplicity, I created a new React project called back to top. Inside the React projects, you will find the GitHub link in the description box. Now I'm creating a components folder, and inside it we'll make a component called back to top. To create a component, I'm using CC. Watch this video how to create your own code snippet for VS Code. I'm now importing the component in the app.jsx. This is my output. I'm putting the browser on side of VS Code for better understanding. The button. I'll show an arrow icon. It will import from React icon MD. This is my button, and I will design something. I will show it at the right bottom. Position fixed. Right 4, it means 16 pixel. Bottom also 4. I have to increase the icon size and change the color. Text 3XL. And text below 500. Animation. Animate bounce. Now it's time to implement the functionality. I want by default the button will hide. And when it's called sometime, it means 500 pixel. The button will show. That's why I'm creating a use state hook. Const show button. Set show button. Use state. By default it will false. I have to create two functions. Once, when click the button, it will redirect bottom to top. Second, for handle scrolling, I'm calling the first function name scroll to top. It is an arrow function. You can write regular function also. Window.scroll to. Remember, scroll to is a JavaScript method. Top it will 0. My first function is completed. My second function is handle scrolling. I'm writing a condition for showing the button and for hiding it. If scroll Y greater than 500 pixel, it will show the button. Or it will it will set show button. I'm writing a use effect hook for capture the window and update the visibility. Window.add event listener. First parameter will scroll, and the second parameter it will my created function handle scrolling, and it will return an arrow function. Window.remove event listener. First parameter again scroll, and the second parameter will handle scrolling. It is time to use the function on the button. On click, scroll to top. That is my first function. I'm writing a dynamic class for show the button and for hide it. I'm writing a ternary condition. If show button is true, the button will visible or it will invisible. Now the button is hidden. I have to scroll 500 pixels vertically if I want to see it. That's why I'm writing some dummy text. Whenever I scroll 500 pixels, it shows, and when I move up, it hides. It is also work. Now I will add a smooth scrolling animation. the behavior will smooth. It is working very nice now. Please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.